This tutorial shows you how to create a purchasable item for your game. First, open your browser and go to roblox.com. After that, sign in to your Roblox account. From there, click on Create at the top of the page. At this point, click on the game you want to add a game pass to. In the next step, click on Monetization from the left side menu. Following this, click on Passes. Once done, click on Create a Pass. From here, click on Select Image to upload artwork representing your Game Pass. At this stage, enter a name and description for the Game Pass, then click Create. Keep in mind, once created, click on the Game Pass to set its price in Robux, since new passes aren't for sale until a price is assigned. Finally, click Save to confirm the price and make your Game Pass available for purchase in-game. And that's it. If this guide helped you make a Game Pass in Roblox on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.